much just gonna be a booty breakfast. Booty breakfast.
You have to be willing to find the light though. You have to be willing to believe in yourself and to believe in your story and to believe that there's more than what you're going through and that what you're going through is going to bring you further into who you're supposed to be and your calling, and find the good in it.
Hey guys!
Good morning! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Kristie Sita and we post videos every Wednesday and Fridays. Hey guys, we're back in the kitchen and I know how much you guys love the kitchen. So today we're going to be making a really high protein breakfast, perfect for after the gym. Hence I just got home from the gym. With that being said, we're gonna make pancakes for the booty. We're gonna make pan-fried salami for the booty. And we're gonna make eggs for life. Yeah, so this is pretty much just gonna be a booty breakfast. Booty breakfast. Booty breakfast. Let's make some booty breakfast. We're gonna start with pre-cutting up our salami here. First, we're gonna open up this fun sack of hunk of meat. Just gonna stick this knife through there, and then it should be good from here. What is going on? Oh, not good, guys, not good. Ooh, there we go. We're gonna cut this up into small slices so I can pan fry it. I'm getting pretty good at this, guys. This is only our third cooking video, and I'm not even looking at where my knife is. Probably not a good thing. Whatever. I love salami. Feeds my soul, feeds my booty, and feeds my energy. Now that we've got the salami prepared, I'm just gonna put that aside. And then now it's time to get pancakes. I like Aunt Jemima's pancakes. I like the buttermilk one. Just add water. It's simple and tastes as fine with protein powder, and that's essentially the point of me having it, is to get more protein. So I'm just gonna take a wild guess and just go like this. That looks like a lot, but we're rolling with it. And then just add water. So we're just gonna add some water. Let's try. Gonna mix it up, mix it So just like that. And now I'm gonna add protein. Don't forget your protein, kids. I use Beyond Yourself. I think it's 26 grams of protein a scoop. Ooh, that's enough to build you a booty breakfast. The best stuff. So I use the maple syrup pancake, and I just scoop one full scoop in there. Makes it extra sweet, and then I like to add some cinnamon just to make it a little bit more nice. Next time I'm gonna make banana pancakes. Those are really healthy and really good. This is like a booty breakfast, so it's not a weight loss breakfast. It's like a give me carbs, fats, protein, and booty. But make sure you work out before, because to have muscle and then eat. Fun fact, in case you didn't see my holiday baking challenge. Wow, that is good. That is really good. Just gonna. So now I've got. I don't know if you saw that. I just had water in here and I just spilled it all over. Like nothing ever happened. Pancakes, check. Salami, check. Eggs, got it.
Okay.
Now I'm just gonna crack some eggs, like this. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Just kidding. Whoa, that actually, okay, let's talk about how there was no shells in there. I normally just go like this. Stay. Woo! Voila. Yeah, so I'm just gonna cook 2 eggs because I honestly already have a lot of food going here and I don't need more than that, and neither do you. All right, let's start chefing this up. So I've got my pancakes all ready to go. I've got my salami all ready to go. I've got my eggs all ready to go. Let's build this booty breakfast. Okay, now so for cooking, the first thing I'm gonna do is just put the salami. I'm gonna put that on like medium heat. And then I'm gonna grab some butter. Everything is better with butter. Just for the pancakes so they don't stick. Oh no. Do you see that? Oh no. Okay, so my salami is cooking. Now I'm gonna put my pancakes. Just gonna do a scoop of that. Whatever, Kristie. You see it? Okay, now, ready? Well, cooking a bad pancake has nothing to do with my one-handedness. It's just... Look at that. That looks like freaking booty. This pancake is actually awful. Okay, back to this. Like, this is so sad. I'm just gonna show you. It's so bad. Let's just try this again, shall we? Let's call this one a day. Yeah, you're done, buckaroo. She failed me. Let's try it again. Well, either way, they're very tasty. I feel like this one's gonna be good. Please, we need a good pancake. Pancake, pancake, pancake. Okay, it's looking okay. Fingers crossed. Oh yeah. All right, we're getting somewhere. Look at that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Not bad, not bad. I think it's gonna be good. She can cook pancakes after all. I know what you're thinking and I know you were doubting me like you like to do. But no, no, no. Not today. Look at it. That's freaking perfect. Thumbnail gone wrong. Okay, last but not least, let's fry up these eggs. This is absolutely not right, I know, but comment down below if you've ever done this. Some days you just have to put up with it, you know? Alright guys, we're pretty much all done here. Let's just move this over. Okay, we've got protein for the booty. We've got salami for the booty. We've got eggs for the abs, and the booty. Thanks for joining me for cooking today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the big like button and subscribe button button, turn on my post notifications so you never miss a video. I post every Wednesdays and Fridays and sometimes on Mondays. So don't forget to follow me on my social platforms, and I will always be posting when I'm posting there, then on all of there. You know what to do. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. See you soon. Bye.